Hello everyone, you all are welcome in my channel College Botany online free learning, and today you are going to learning the classification of enzymes with Yuvraj. So we know that there are more than 2000 different enzymes are identified by scientists, and these enzymes are specific to the substrate. The enzymes classification is made by International Union of Biochemistry, that is IUB, and this IUB classify the enzymes in 6 major classes. So today we will learn these 6 major classes of enzymes and their reactions. So first class of enzyme is oxidoreductase. Second, the transferase. Third, hydrolases. Next, lyases. Then isomerase, and last ligase. So oxidoreductase, transferase, hydrolases, lyases, isomerase and ligases. These are the classes of enzymes, and you can look here the type of reaction carried out by these enzymes. So we will learn all these things in detail. So how to remember this class of enzymes? So these classes we can remember by this word to hill. To hill means T for transferase, O for oxidoreductase, H for hydrolases, isomerase, lyases and ligases. So to hill. So please come in detail. So the detailed classification of enzymes as per the IUB rule is as. So first class is oxidoreductase. These enzymes catalyzes the oxidation and reduction type of reaction. A large number of oxidoreductase enzymes are known. These enzymes brings about the main energy yielding reactions of a living cells. So mainly they perform the oxidation type of reaction and reduction type of reactions. So there are three subclasses of these enzymes, that are oxidase, dehydrogenase and reductase. So first subclass is oxidase. So this enzyme causes the oxidation of substrate with the help of molecular oxygen. The transfer of molecular hydrogen to the oxygen to form water is the main reaction carried out by oxidase enzymes. So AH2 plus half O2 giving A and water get formed. So here the H2 get combined with oxygen to form water. The reaction, alcohol reaction, you can be see here, conversion of alcohol into aldehyde. Next class is a dehydrogenase. D means remove. Hydrogen, remove of hydrogen, that is a dehydrogenase. So it remove the molecular hydrogen, transfer of molecular H to O to form water. AH2 gives A and 2 hydrogen get formed. So conversion of lactate to the pyruvate is carried out by lactate dehydrogenase is the main reaction, example of a enzymes reaction. Next subclass of oxidoreductase is reductase type of enzymes. So these enzymes add the hydrogen or remove the oxygen from the substrate. So addition of a hydrogen or remove of a oxygen is takes place by oxidoreductase enzymes. So example, nitrate convert into nitrite by nitrate reductase. So second class of a enzyme is transferase. The enzymes of this class are involved in transferring the functional group between donor to the acceptor. These enzymes transfer the groups like formyl group, methyl group, carbonyl group, acetyl group, or phosphate group. Examples: glucokinase. So ATP plus glucose giving glucose 6 phosphate. So one phosphate molecule from ATP get transferred to the glucose, that's why glucose 6 phosphate. Next class of enzyme is hydrolase. These enzymes are special kind of transferase where donor group is transferred to the water molecule. So these are the long listed enzymes. So addition of water in variety of bonds result into the cleavage is taking place by the hydrolases. So these enzymes split carbon oxygen, carbon nitrogen, carbon carbon, oxygen phosphate and carbon sulfur bonds. So cleavage reaction is takes place here. So AB plus water giving AH, one H from water get attached to the A, so AH, and B get attached to the OH. So AH and BH are the final product. The sucrose invertase reaction, you can look here, conversion of sucrose into the glucose and fructose is the hydrolysis reaction. Next, the lyases. These enzymes of groups catalyzes the addition of group to the double bonds or catalyzes the cleavage of electronic rearrangement of molecules. Simply, one can be say it involved in direct removal of groups नॉन हायड्रोलॅटिकली म्हणजे पाणी टाकण्याशिवाय म्हणजे पाण्याशिवाय स्प्लिटिंग जे होत आहे किंवा एखादा ग्रुप बाजूला काढला जातोय तो लायजेस एन्झाईमच्या सहाय्यानं बाजूला काढला जातोय. सो अल्डोजेस, फ्युमॅरेज, carboxylase are the example of these enzymes. So see here, aldoses, fructose 1,6-diphosphate convert into the DHAP and PZA is the lyases. And next class of enzyme is isomerase. So the isomers means the molecule having same molecular formula but different structural arrangements are called as isomers of each other. These molecules are mirror images of each other. These molecules having same molecular formula but structural arrangement is a different, that are called as the isomers. So formation of isomers is carried out by isomerase enzymes. So these enzymes catalyzes the isomerization reaction of several types. These catalyzes the structural rearrangement of a molecule in the substrate. The formed compounds are isomers of each other. The cis and transforms get formed, or aldoses and ketoses are interconverted. So these type of reactions get operated by the isomerase. So example is the isomerase enzyme. You can look here, phosphohexoisomerase reaction, glucose 6 phosphate converted to fructose 6 phosphate. And last one is ligases. So these enzymes catalyzes the bond formation, and They are associated with the hydrolysis of ATP or other nucleotide phosphates. They are also called as synthetase enzymes. So carbon sulfur, carbon oxygen, carbon carbon, carbon nitrogen like bond formation is carried out by ligases enzyme. So see here the example reaction, the aspartic acid get converted into the aspargine with the help of aspargine synthetase enzyme. So these are the classes of enzymes. Thank you very much.